Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow! Clap, clap.
Hi guys! So today we will be celebrating the birthday of my pamangkin, Apollo.
Papaking na dito. Tapos ako nagpapalobo.
Lahat ng gamit namin na dekorasyon sa birthday na ito ni Apollo are all DIY. So there's Apollo right there. Mostly ng pang-decorate na binili ko are from Shopee. Ting ting! So this is the balloons that I just made. So, dito kami sa terrace mag-decorate and this is the before picture. As you can see, very plain siya and this is the after picture. Yang stand-in na yan, ako mismo ang gumawa and makikita nyo yan sa live ko. And this is the gift that my husband and I bought for Apollo and obviously, nagustuhan niya ang kanyang laruan. Putting up the balloons on the wall are a bit challenging because ang hirap dumikit. Hindi dumidikit basta-basta yung balloon, so I use hot glue stick and it worked. And this is the sweet corner that I made.